Hey guys, so welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to be attempting to do the Taylor Swift Lover makeup or inspired makeup, since obviously it's not gonna look the same. I thought I would try it because why not? I've been wanting to, and let's just test it out. But I have two copies of Lover here so I can see the makeup, and I am surrounded by all my makeup that looks even remotely similar to what she is wearing. Yeah, I just wanted to try it out, and why not document it? Anyway, let's just get into this. So first I'm gonna do my eye makeup, and it looks, I mean, everything looks pretty natural. We're gonna do a pretty natural look. So I have my Naked 3 palette, which is very neutral colors, and also this Lorac palette in Black Tie Affair, I think, which is also pretty neutral. We're just gonna play around with this, and just as a disclaimer, I'm not good at makeup. I'm not talented in it, so whatever comes out, it is what it is. Okay, simple shadow is done. Let's move on to the rest of my face. So I'm gonna be using my foundation, which is Clinique Beyond Perfecting, and I'm going to put everything on with this Real Techniques beauty sponge.
Leave the Christmas lights up till...
Next, I'm going to go in with the Instant Age Rewind Eraser from Maybelline, and I just put that under my eyes to cover the bags.
January.
Next, we have NYX Concealer.
This is our place.
I'm gonna go in with a little highlight just because I'm playing around with makeup, so why not? I'm gonna be using the Benefit What's Up.
Make the rules.
Now we're gonna go in with powder, and I'm using MAC Studio Fix.
And there's a dazzle
And blush, Tarte in Party.
haze and mysterious.
And now I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows with my number 7 eyebrow pencil.
Way about you, dear.
Okay, now comes the fun part. So now we're gonna be trying to do the heart that she has around her right eye. We're gonna try this out. I don't have obviously the same glitter that she used, but I do have this You Can Be one from Amazon. This is the one that my friends and I all used on the Reputation tour, and it is regular silver glitter, and I'm probably gonna regret this. So we're gonna try it, and it's probably gonna look terrible, but at least it's good entertainment for you guys. Just kidding, the glitter all dried out, so plan B. Okay, so now we're actually gonna attempt using this pink Ulta Beauty glitter eyeliner. Now, when I tested this out when I originally got this, it didn't really work, but we're gonna try to make it work. So wish me luck. And if not, like I said, good entertainment.
Have I known you 20 seconds, 20 years?
Okay, you can't see it, but like so far it's not terrible. Okay, I don't know, can you see that? It's not so bad. I'm just nervous about this side. And also you can't really see it, but we're trying here. We're trying to entertain ourselves. It's not bad. I just need to let it like dry a little bit and put more layers on, but like honestly this worked better than I thought. Okay, so now we are gonna put on lipstick, and the only lipstick that I have close to like a bright one is this Glossier one in the color Like.
Where you go, and we always be this close, forever and ever. And take me out and take me home. You're my.
So this is the final result. I don't think it came out that bad. I think pretty decent from what I had to work with and with my makeup skills. I literally thought it was gonna come out way worse than this, but it's not bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe for more, and thank you so much for watching.
Bye, bye.